Friends, today I'm going to show you how to add a background for your objects. If it is a single background, you can do it directly, but if you have a multiple one, how you will do this? It's like you are having a background image and and the objects along with that. So how we are going to do this? So just check the few slides what I made. This is one example what I made. You can see there are three objects what I've kept over here. Was first is this one, and the background image appears only on that objects. It's a one image, not a separate image, a single image. So how we can do this? And also if you see the second one, it's a similar way. It's a single image at the backdrop, and and it's covering this entire objects and the text also in the slide. So how we can do this? So in my previous video I've also shown how the similar slides I've done using the video. It's a video option, animated video background. So a similar way you can do it for the image as well. So let us begin. So it's very simple, not a tough job at all. So let us again go to a new blank slide. Okay, so it's a blank slide. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to the design, I'm going to format background. Okay, I'm going to put the picture file, and I'm going to in the desktop, new folder, images. Not sorry, in the images. See, this is the slide what I've used. So I've just already put the background. Now I'm going to insert a shape. Okay, something like this. Okay, so always try to use some gradient stylish colors so that looks beautiful, otherwise it will give a dull effect. So I'm going to use something like this. It's a gradient golden color. Okay, now next thing is that how do we get something like this, how we can make something like this. So this is also very simple. You don't have to draw a rectangle and may shape it like this, or or edit the points. This can be done in a much easier way. So what you have to do is just go to insert, go to the smart art. Okay, from here go to this option. Okay, so this is very simple. So you got this over here, you got the shape over here. Now how do you make it like what I made it over here? So this is very simple. So now for the first and foremost thing you have to do is that you have to go to the smart art tools over here, go to the design, convert it into shape. So now it's no more a smart art, it's just a shape. Okay, now just go to ungroup it. Okay, now select this and select 1, 2, 3 objects. Okay, then go to the format, go to merge shapes and click combine. See, so you got the background part. So it's actually like you are cutting that part. When you're doing the combine option, you are cutting that particular object part. So if you can see it is made something like this. Okay, so now next thing is very simple. You have to go there, insert a text, a nice text, something, a day in my life, something. But always try to use the most modern fonts. Okay, this is a Calibri. You make it bigger, how much ever you make it bigger, it doesn't look good. Try to use most modern fonts. I can maybe like for example Montserrat. This is some which I've used regularly, a day in my life. See, something like this, or make it a bit smaller, something like this. So you can just copy and you can change the text, and now you can play around with the animation as well. Once you are here, you can have an animation also. Just for example, you want, I can show you for your an example how to animate this one as well. So just for an animation I'm going to use maybe a flying effect. Okay, a flying effect. I'm going to the animation pane. Okay, so just effect options. Okay, so maybe I'll just bring it from this corner, from this part. So I'm just going to use this one, and I'm doing just give an edgy bouncy effects. And this is something you should try: animate by letter. Try this option. Okay, and you will just see the difference, rather than using the normal one. That's also a good one, so just keep trying. So I'm just going to click OK. See how it has come. And another thing it's very easy is that once you have this, just format painter and give it to this. You have to just click this format paint here. No, sorry, it's in the normal format. Go to this one, go to animation painter and click over here. Okay, and the similar way animation painter and click over here. So all three are there. So I'm just going to with previous, or maybe just I'm going to delay this, and I'm going to delay this, so it appears one after another. And yeah, let us see. Okay, see. So different animation you can try. This is done by selecting the letters, and you can select the slowness so it just comes so fast, or you can select all, give the duration as 1 minute so that it comes very slow. See, something like this. This kind of slides can be used as a part of mostly it can be your agenda, or your objectives, or your important bullet points. It can be used in all scenarios. So try this out. I hope you like this. So let me go to the second one. So this one, so what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to go to home and insert a blank slide again. Going to design, format background. I'm going to give a picture, and I'm going to use this white picture. This is a picture what I've used. I'm just going to close it. Now I'm going to insert the shape similar to last one. I'm going to insert shape over here, and I'm going to use the design something like this. Okay, and outline is always no outline. So now we have to make these shapes. So it's also very easy. Go to insert, go to shapes, and there you have an option something like this over here, half frame. Insert something like this over there. Take a copy of that, just rotate it and keep it over here. Okay, now the text. Now a big text box. So I'm going to, what is that, shape fill using image in PowerPoint, something like this. And always the font matters, as I told, you can use something like this. Once with, make it bigger so that it looks nice, centered. Okay, you can still make it more bigger. Okay, something like this. Okay, now you have to make this part, all this part transparent to show your background. So again, select this one, select your text box, select the shape. You have to go to format, go to merge shapes, and combine. That's it. Okay, so in full screen it will look like this, something different. It's a transparent text fill and transparent shape fill. So hope you like this as well. So if you have any comments or any queries, please comment And if you have any doubts regarding, while you are making this, please let me know. I can help you out. And please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.